Here in this video, we will show you how to find cPanel accounts whose primary domains do not resolve to cPanel WHM server. This means we are going to find out all those domains which are not pointing to our server. They may be useless. So, log into your root via SSH using putty and then run following command. This command will give you the list of all those accounts which are failing to point their A records towards your own server. Those domains which has A fails are listed as those cPanel accounts which are not pointing towards our server. They may be useless and we can research more about this to terminate them. This is sometimes useful to know how many actual domains are utilizing our server resources. Please note that there is an exception. Addon Domains, Aliases, domains using third-party services, subdomains, and those domains who are using Cloudflare will be failed to detect. So, these are the limitations which you cannot detect using this script. So, this command only performs DNS check on primary domain. If you are looking for a reliable web hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. You must give a try.